and welcome to Figuring Out AI. If you're new here, my name is Pietru, and I've decided I'm not going to fall behind. I'm going to be one of those 45 and up plussers that will keep up to AI and keep up in conversations and know what's going on. Instead of fearing it, I'm going to embrace AI in the areas of my life that I can really use it. And one of those areas is my business. I run a little freelance business and I do websites, I do photography, I do video editing, and I run a few YouTube channels and some content creation. So I'm all over the place. Talk about jack of all trades but master of none. And that's really how I've been feeling these last few weeks. And I've seen a decline in my clients. So I realized I needed some help. I needed some structure because I'm doing everything and I can't get to everything. So I decided, well, seeing I'm diving into AI, let's see what this new ChatGPT 5 is all about. And I watched some videos on it and decided, you know what, I'm going to jump right in. So that video I made about all the different models, just forget about that. Just use ChatGPT 5. So without further ado, let's see how I use ChatGPT 5 to help me as an actual business coach. I'm not going to share the whole process. I'm not going to share everything I've done. Actually, I haven't done everything yet. My next steps are to jump in and start actually doing what ChatGPT suggested. But I was so excited about this, I thought I'm going to make this short video, show you the prompt I used, and obviously you can use your own prompt and refine it in whatever area you are of business, whether you're just a startup, whether you're just got a side hustle, whether you've got a small to medium business. But this is just what I did in my most simplest, tiredest mindset. I just typed in this prompt, told ChatGPT exactly what I felt and what I needed, and it just structured this amazing prompt for me. So I will be trying this in the next few days, and maybe I'll make a follow-up video and tell you guys if this actually brought me in some clients, which I'm really hoping for. So let's jump right in. Let me show you what the prompt is. So I went to ChatGPT and I literally just word dumped. I don't know what the other word is. Freelancer and am completely self-taught. Everything I learned was from watching YouTube or figuring things out myself. Hence the name of this YouTube channel. I built and designed WordPress websites using Elementor Pro. I can set up and run a social media account. I can do some graphic design. I know how to edit videos using DaVinci Resolve. I'm a professional photographer and know how to take videos. I have built about 50 plus websites with WordPress and Elementor Pro. I do light video editing work for 2 UK companies. I have done paid photo shoots for a few bed and breakfasts and businesses with products. I've run and built about 4 YouTube channels. I do all the video editing, recording, lighting and sound editing and posting to YouTube and social media by myself. You see why I need some help. Prior to that, I was a youth and children's pastor for about 20 years full time. I resigned and started PS Digital Media full time about 2 years ago. So I have no business experience. I just jumped right into this thing. For some reason it worked. I got clients. People actually wanted to pay me to do things for them. And I could sustain our family with contributing to the household with my business. But I'm really struggling to keep the money flowing in. I get a few clients and then it dries up. And at the moment, the only money coming in is from the video editing I do and the maintenance I charge for some of the websites I do. I did a few websites this last few weeks, but they were small and one of them was free. So yeah, I do that. I not a good businesswoman. I need to bring in more income, obviously. I have all these skills, but I'm struggling to keep it going. What help do I need from you, from who? And can you provide that help? I think I need a business coach. So let's see what ChatGPT answered. Pietru, what you have here is not a lack of skill. It's a lack of structured growth plan and a consistent client pipeline. Absolutely true. You've built an impressive toolkit and a portfolio of real work, but the feast and famine circle you are experiencing is a classic freelance problem. I'm so glad it is not just me. It's not solved by learning more technical skills, it's solved by learning business building skills. And that is exactly what I need. I don't know. I didn't study any business degrees. I haven't been in business my whole life. So this is absolutely what I need to hear. From what you've described, here's the situation in plain terms. You are overqualified for what you are currently earning. Well, my goodness, that's good to hear. You have no shortage of services you could offer, but there's no clear positioning or offer ladder that's making people want to work with you now and again later. You're relying on inbound luck rather than outbound strategy to get clients. Well, there's a little bit of word of mouth in there, but I can absolutely understand that. I don't have a clear plan in getting clients. So what help you need? And from who? You essentially need a business coach or creative freelancers. Someone who can help you with positioning and offer design, client acquisition system, marketing and visibility, time and project management, business mindset, and accountability. Wow, I had no idea. Can I provide the help? Well, I hope so. Yes, I can act as your virtual business coach here in ChatGPT and help you build a clear service structure and offer ladder so your services are packaged to sell. A 90-day action plan to bring in consistent clients. Ready to use cold outreach templates, social media scripts and content ideas. A local and online lead generation plan that fits your personality, introvert friendly. Pricing and client qualification guides so you can stop working with budget drainers. And that is something I have been struggling with, is people who see you're a freelancer, so they think you're desperate, which you are most of the time, and they expect you to do something for ridiculous prices or basically for free. So I'm so glad to hear that there is a way of working around that and that ChatGPT can give me some guidance. And I mean, there's no way that I can pay somebody to help me do this. So how am I supposed to grow? How am I supposed to do this? I know that probably you can go and talk to other people, but I find in the creative business, people can be such gatekeepers of their businesses and their strategies, and the competition is so high in this area that people don't really want to give advice. So this is amazing. So then we can work step by step, so it's practical and immediately actionable. I'm definitely going to start this. I think I'm going to start tomorrow. And maybe I'll even make a follow-up video of how it went and whether I got more clients. So if you're willing, I'd suggest we start like this. Clarify your most profitable and enjoyable services so we can cut the clutter and focus on offers that will make money fast. Build your offer ladder, low, medium, high packages that naturally lead to repeat work. Create your client acquisition system and then set up marketing automation. If you want, we can start that step right now. What I did actually too, and I think I deleted the chat for some reason, is I also went into the agent mode and I asked the agent to scan the town that I live in for the top 5 competitors in my field. It gave me exactly who they are, and I asked it to help me with a pricing system that is in good competition with these competitors. And then I also asked it to help me see where I differ from these other competitors so that I can market myself into the area or the void that they aren't addressing. And ChatGPT actually came up with something and helped me with that. Maybe I'll make another video about that too. But I think what I was excited about and what I wanted to share with you guys is just ask ChatGPT. I've literally got my husband now. If he asks me something, I just say, ask ChatGPT. Now, I'm not saying we have to trust ChatGPT fully. We need to fact check. We need to check things for ourselves. I actually did go and Google the competitors and looked at their websites just to check if the information was correct. But I must say, I actually didn't find anything that didn't correlate with what I Googled myself. But it is AI. It is still developing and it does hallucinate. So please be safe out there. Don't just trust it. Don't just take everything it says for the truth. Do your own research as well. It's just a tool. It's a helping tool. So I'm going to look through what it suggested. I'm going to ask it to show me step by step what to do. And I'm going to implement this for me. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, it really works. And I want to challenge you to do the same. Take your business or your side hustle, throw it into ChatGPT 5 and see what it spits out. And actually try it. Give it a go. Well, this is better than I can do on my own. So there we go. So if I can figure it out, so can you. I hope this helped, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.